At Real Life, our mission extends far beyond supporting our scholars in completing their education. We are dedicated to empowering them for success in all areas of their lives. Our dream is to see them thrive in the workforce, whether it be securing well-paying jobs or even establishing their own businesses. By doing so, they not only improve the lives of their families, but also contribute positively to society. Let's all be encouraged today to hear about how God has moved in Nelmark's life.
Hi, my name is Nel Silagan and I'm a Real Life alumnus. Growing up, yung family ko challenged in terms of financial. Si Papa lang yung nagtatrabaho. During that time, nakita ko din everyday talaga challenge din. Sa namin kukunin yung pangkain namin. Kumakain kami ng tuyo, ng toyo na lang para lang makatipid. Nakita ko sila mama na yung effort nila para lang hindi nila maparamdam sa amin na naghihirap kami na ganito yung life namin. One time, in-invite ako yung ka-classmate ko na na-share niya sa akin na merong Real Life Foundation. Happy ako sa Real Life kasi nag-guide nila ako dun sa purpose ko as a student. And yung pinakamagandang lesson talaga na na-learn ko sa Real Life is yung leadership and excellence. So, everything that I do, dapat I should do my best kahit na walang nakatingin. And I make sure na yung everything that I do is God-centered. That time, yung dream ko talaga nung kabataan ko, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng business after kong graduate. Somehow, dumating yung pandemic, tapos nag-change yung work life ko to work from home. Then doon, nalaman ko yung online selling. Nag-create ako ng shop ko, and then, nung time na merong bumili dun sa shop ko, grabe yung tuwa ko. Talagang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Talagang thankful ako kay Lord. Kahit isang order lang yun. Tapos, dumating yung araw na talagang umokay siya. And then, last year lang, 2022, October 18, nagbukas na rin yung official store sa Pasig. In-apply ko yung mga bagay-bagay na natutunan ko during my real life journey. Nakita ko yung grace, yung love ni Lord sa life ko. How He guide me through this journey. How He guide me today. Iba yung pag-turn ng life ko from nothing into something na kakaiba na talagang grabe, makikita mo yung greatness ni Lord sa life na meron ako ngayon. And thank you sa inyong support. Maraming student ang nabibigyan nyo ng pag-asa sa life, nang mabigyan ng magandang buhay yung family nila. Thank you for supporting us and thank you for your prayers.
Imagine the change that God brings as we stay faithful to His mission and shape the values of the next generation. We appreciate you for your love and generosity towards our scholars. Thank you for believing in the future that God has in store for them. Let's change the life and change the nation together.